these are the wrong kind of gloves. So I need sporting goods. Gloves. Sometimes Runnings has really good insulated gloves, but now I don't see any. I see a lot of work gloves, but not insulated gloves. I mean, it's ridiculous that so many stores in the Northeast turn over to their spring clothing like in the month of February. This is what I want for Christmas. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Big combine. Yeah. These are collector items. Let me tell you, if you buy one of these and you keep it in the box for, let's say, 30 years or so, handed down to your grandkids or something, you keep it in mint condition, these can be worth a lot of money. I mean, it can go from its current price to, say, 5 to 10 times that. Right? They got a cat. Now that's a bulldozer. Yeah. I like that. I don't like the price. Those are definitely collectors, though. Why'd I come in here? Oh yeah, gloves. Which I'm obviously not going to get any winter gloves. I could use this for the upstairs, but yeah, look at that, 600,000 BTUs.
Rifles.
Man, that's how small they make guns today. Look at that. I mean, that's actually, that's like finger size. Huh? Look at that. That's everybody's favorite right there. There's the scopes. Not a bad price. Binoculars. Now, if you carry one of these around and you aim it at somebody, hey, it's not their fault if you end up getting killed. I'm kind of surprised that Governor Hochschild doesn't ban these. I mean, there's more knife attacks in this country than there are gun attacks. Or there's more violence committed with knives than there is by guns. I'm gonna run out of battery juice. Ice shelter. Could definitely use one of these. How much is that? Not bad, $100. 16 gallon. I go through vacuum cleaners like people go through toilet paper. I mean, I use them so much that within a month or so they burn out. When you have pets inside the house, you don't have much of a choice but to constantly use a vacuum cleaner. The store is so big, I'm gonna run out of, ooh, concrete. Super tough. Huh. Seagrass sponge. More WD-40. I like the vest. I think it's for dogs though. Hey, there's already kids looking at those John Deere tractors. The toys. I don't think they have any insulated gloves. Dog grooming. Okay, I'm going back to the sporting goods area for WD-40. WD-40. I don't think they have any insulated gloves. I think the Air Force comes in here looking for parts for cruise missiles and ballistic missiles. They use runnings. Tires. I don't think they have any sweet and hot. Jalapeno. Mesquite. Yeah, they're not cheap. Fishing gear. I've tried these in the past, this artificial bait. Yeah, it's just a waste of money. It seriously is. I've never caught fish with artificial bait. Never. You want real bait, all you got to do is, when you go fishing, is dig in the ground a little bit and pull out an insect. Nice size lure. Or tip over some, turn over some rocks in a creek and pull out some crawfish for bait. It's a big hook. It's a big hook. Don't need hooks that big around here. This is probably even too big of a hook. Small hooks catch big fish. Up. It's a pretty cool sunrise. Sunset, excuse me. Did I say sunrise earlier?